friends, earlier on this channel we have discussed about the life cycle of angiosperm, and now we are going to discuss about the flower and the types of flower. Okay, so what is flower? A flower is considered a compressed shoot in which sepal, petals, stamens and carpels are successive lateral, and it is meant for sexual reproduction. Flower is the characteristics of all angiosperms. Okay, so now we will discuss about the parts of flowers. Now, the flower basically has the four essential roles: the calyx, corolla, androecium, the male part, and the gynoecium, the female part. Androecium and gynoecium are considered as the essential roles, whereas calyx and corolla are the accessory roles. Okay, now, so here is the diagram of a flower, and these are their structures. Okay, the structures are labeled here, and this diagram is important for the unit test and half yearly exams also. Now we will move towards the types of flowers. A flower is said to be complete when it has all four whorls. Okay, that is calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. And the flower is said to be incomplete flower when it has one or more whorls missing. Okay, then the flower is said to be incomplete. Then, what is a neutral flower? A neutral flower is a flower which has both essential whorls missing. Now, what are perfect and imperfect flower? A flower is said to be imperfect when they have either androecium or gynoecium. A unisex flower having only stamen is called staminate and only carpel is called pistillate. And when a flower contains both androecium and gynoecium, then the flower is said to be a perfect flower. Now, when both staminate and pistillate flowers are borne on the same plant, the condition is known as monoecious. And when the staminate and pistillate flower are present on the different plant, it is said to be dioecious. And when both bisexual and unisexual flower are present on the plant, then it is called a polygamous plant. Okay, these definitions are important because they are asked in the test or also in the examination. Now let us move towards the next topic, that is relative position of floral parts on the thalamus. Now, what is hypogynous? A flower is said to be hypogynous if the sepal, petal and stamen are inserted below the ovary, and in such flower the ovary is superior and the rest of the floral organs are inferior. For example, mustard and tomato. Okay, now what is a perigynous? The flower is said to be perigynous when the ovary is semi-inferior. Okay, now, and the example is rose, strawberry, peach, plum, etc. Okay, now what is epigynous? When the ovary is inferior and the other floral organs are superior, then the flower is said to be epigynous. Okay, now for example it's cucumber, apple, etc. Okay.